Hi there, this is Save with Crypto. Okay, so sorry there was no video yesterday. I was swapping my French car for a UK car actually, because I'm going to go back to the UK for a while. I'm not sure how long, but that's the plan anyway. That'll be in the summer. So meanwhile, yeah, LordToken, they actually got back to me, sorted it all out. All my tokens are intact. So I'm really pleased about that, and I put them in the staking program last Sunday, and I can see that they're there. So obviously they're not in my wallet. If you've staked them as well, you need to understand that you'll have zero in your wallet, and because they're staked. And at the end of the staking period, they apparently get transferred into your wallet. I did look on their Telegram group, and it's just people moaning like mad and stuff like that. But I don't know. I mean, I guess for those people who decided not to stake them, you've got them in your wallet, and then you can probably transfer them from your wallet into the platform, and then do whatever you want with it. So there's actually an exchange as well, as we hoped, because that was the whole idea of it, wasn't it? No, the only thing I've got about this is, why would I use this rather than using ByBit or Binance or something like that? But why would I do that? The only reason I can think at the moment is because it's got the LTT token, and I think that might be worth trading actually. Beyond that, I mean, there are a lot of pairs they've got. I'm quite impressed actually, sort of how many pairs they've got. They've got kind of everything really, and a lot of the pairs are with BNB and BTC, this kind of thing, as you'd expect. Now, so the point is, now you could trade LTT against USDC. I don't have any USDC, so I can't do that. So it'd be good to sort of give it a go, though, wouldn't it? I mean, it looks like your standard kind of exchange. You've got your normal sort of stuff. Down here, you've got a limit and market orders. There's no conditional orders, which is a little bit annoying, although I don't really use them that often, to be honest. But yeah, limit orders are cool. So you can do all that. So how do you fund it? That's the question. So if I look at my balances, now there's one thing I did notice here. It's got the referral program, and I was thinking, oh, that's cool. Let's put that under my description, then everyone can get a little bit of benefit and stuff. So copy the link, and you get a 404. So so I need to inquire about that and find out what's going on there. Okay, so let's have a look. So balances, deposit, that's what I probably want to do, isn't it? Now, what can you deposit? That's the question. Okay, so it looks like I can only deposit Bitcoin here. Okay, I would have thought they'd have like BNB at least, really, or USD Tether, something like that. But I suppose I should give this a little whirl, really. So let me just have a look, see what I've got lying around. Okay, so what I think I'll do, I'm going to take 0.025 Bitcoin out of my ByBit account and send it over to here, and just have a little play with it, because I think it'd be good to see if it works anyway, wouldn't it? So I'm just going to copy this address here and then set that up as a whitelist address on ByBit. If you ever want to know how to do that or anything, just drop something in the comments, and I'll show you how to do that. It's pretty straightforward though, to be honest. Anyway, there's a couple of comments I just want to talk about. By the way, while I'm here, just have a look at all these scam channels, all these live ones, they've all got fake views, and they'll all have no comments, and it's all them kind of things, double your money. But there's just tons of them now. It's gone really crazy. So just watch out for them. They're all fake. They'll just steal your money. There's a little conversation I had with Freeway. I don't know if it was Sadie Hutton herself, but I like to think it was, because she did this video, and I must say it's the most confusing thing I've ever heard in my life. And it's got this kind of background music as well. I don't know. I got really distracted by it. I think the thing is, because I'm a musician, I kind of I can't sort of block out music. I have to listen to it. So if I do that, I'm not really listening to what someone's saying. So I do have a bit of a dislike of background music. But have a listen to a couple of seconds of this.
Stop there. Freeway Chain will allow for resource and voting rights to Freeway Token stakers, and will also use UX Network's interblockchain protocol to bring virtual proof of work staking utility to Freeway Token. Virtual proof of work is a virtual analog of Bitcoin mining and will allow Freeway Token stakers to participate in probability-based distributions of rewards converted from Freeway Token paid in gas fees from the work their Freeway Token stake provides to the ecosystem. Block producers staking FWT won't be able to enter the virtual proof of work.
Anyway, yeah, did you get any of that? I didn't anyway. But it was really cool though, because Freeway replied and I had a little chat and said about my comments, and apparently they look at my channel, they watch my channel, which is fantastic. Now this started off because a friend of mine, actually he's a neighbour actually, he asked me if I could do a Freeway for Dummies video, and I thought about it. I thought, well, I can, but to be honest, their products are a little bit confusing, so I'm not sure if I can actually. What I can do, however, I can do a Freeway supercharger for Dummies video. I can definitely do that because that's what I use. And Freeway did say, by the time the Freeway chain goes live, if your friend has what they need from your vids and you have from our team, then I think we'll have lots to celebrate. Yeah, I think so. So that's cool. Anyway, I do like Freeway. If you're interested, check the link out in the description, which will get you the best APRs on the planet. Oh, by the way, this live now here, this Andy Bitcoin Census, that's not a scam. He's a really good analyst. His shows are quite good. He does quite a few live streams. He's worth watching, actually. And he lived in Mallorca, which I'm quite jealous about, actually. I'd quite like to live there. Oh, actually, I just nipped off and had a shower and came back, and it seems that the LordToken Bitcoin is now in there. So I may as well show that to you now. Yeah, so I could actually see that in deposit there, so I suppose in balance that will show there as well. Yep, so it's now 0.0245007, obviously, because there's a fee. So it's worth about $958. Okay, so let's see what we can do with it. So I'm going to go to markets, and I'm going to look for LTT. So that's my only option now. So what I need to do first is get some USDC, isn't it? So let's do USDC. Okay, Bitcoin, USDC. So give that a click. Now what I'd normally do is I'd probably try and wait until Bitcoin's up here or something, but for the sake of the video, I suppose I should get on with it. But I can't bring myself to sell on a red candle, so I'm not going to do that. Something like 39120 I'll sell at. So you just come down here, go sell, 39120. Okay, that was already there. How did that get there? Okay, for some reason 39120 is in there already. I'm going to sell at that price. I'm going to sell it all. So I'll get 958 USDC. So this is a limit sell, right? If I wanted to do it straight away, I'd use a market, but I want to get a better price, well, slightly better. So I'm going to go sell BTC. Success, and that should be down here now. Okay, so I'll leave that and see what happens. Okay, so I went away and the order filled, I think it did. Yeah, so it's gone from there and it's now in my 24-hour order history. So if I go to balances now, I should see that I've got USDC. I have indeed. I've got 958. So I think what I'm going to do is try and get some cheap LTT. So to do that, I'm just going to come here and do click trade now. Now I know that some of you are going to be a little bit disillusioned with LTT, but it's kind of done exactly what things normally do at launches. And that is there's an initial bit of excitement and the price goes crazy and then it settles down. And it did actually go fairly low actually. It went down to, what's that, just about 3 cents. Now I don't think it's going to go that low anymore. Yeah, let's just go for 422, shall we? So what I'm going to do there is I'm going to go buy LTT at the price of 422. I'm going to use all my USDC and I'm going to go buy LTT. Success, and you'll see that order down there. So there you go. So the exchange looks all right. I mean, it's just spot trading. There's no leverage or anything like that. It seems fairly easy to use. It'll probably go far, to be honest. Now, as far as the LTT token goes, bear in mind this isn't listed on any exchange at the moment apart from PancakeSwap, which most people don't know how to use or don't want to use. This is all used in the Binance Smart Chain. So one day this will get listed on Binance. And when it does, it's not going to be 4 or 5 cents anymore. It's going to be much more. That's what I think anyway. But that's not financial advice. You know that. Anyway, if you found this interesting, give the video a like. If you didn't like it, click dislike twice. Leave a nice comment. Make sure you subscribe. Tick the notification bell. And above all, tell your friends.